Alright, so it's a bright and sunny day, perfect to go out on a drive, but not so perfect to park your car in this sunlight. So we all face this problem because our car heats up a lot, especially talking about the cabin part, the interior part. And in this sunlight, in this bright sunlit day, what would you do if you need to park your car in these conditions? Well, here's a perfect solution which you can try for your car. So this is the Co-Star Sunshade Forecast, and this is going to keep the cabin of your car, the interior of your car, super cool in this super bright sunlit day. So this comes in a nice pouch right here, umbrella shape. I like that because most sunshades actually don't tend to fold up so pretty well. So you get this extra pouch, and within this you get this umbrella shaped sunshade even with a handle at the bottom. You get the warranty QR code slip attached at the bottom. Let's open this up. So there's a velcro strap to bind the sunshade in its place. So this is how it looks like after opening it up. Pretty good, I must say. And there's one small thing which you should note, that they have given an opening here for the internal rear view mirror. And if you can see on top, they provided a velcro strap as well. So this velcro strap, you can just put it and tighten it according to your requirement. And once that's done, the rear view mirror won't actually disturb the placement of this sunshade. That's quite good. Another thing to note, guys, is that this handle will be like kind of hanging right here. And of course, you can just push this out as much as you like, but it will need some kind of support, so it's going to fall back a bit more. But that being said, the coverage area is quite good, I must say, and because it has this umbrella like frames, it's going to hold itself firm. Most of the other sunshades which are used, they don't get these frames at the back, so the backing will be very weak, but this seems to be pretty good. And the good thing being, this is retractable, so you can pull this in, shape it like an umbrella and put it back in the storage kit of your car. So you do get this in two sizes, small and large. So this is currently the small size which I have ordered for my car based on the measurements of my windshield. They've even provided those measurements on the website. You can just check that, and of course cross check it with the measurement of the windshield of your particular car, and you can order accordingly, small or the large size one. So all you need to do to retract this umbrella back to its original position is to just press the button which has been given right here on the handle, pull it down, and it will fold down back to being a regular umbrella sized package. Now we've got the velcro strap again to enclose the opening, so just turn it around and strap in the velcro strap, and you're basically ready to keep this package in the trunk of your car. So as you can see right now, I've placed the sunshade just behind the windshield. It's creating this silver film at the front, reflecting off all the heat, reflecting off all the UV rays from the sun, keeping the cabin of the car super cool and under shade. This helps a lot in keeping the cabin of the car, the interior of the car, under favorable conditions, under favorable temperatures. This is what you definitely need to keep your car, to park your car under direct sunlight. Go ahead and grab this sunshade right now. The purchase link to buy this accessory has been given in the description below. Just click down on the description, you'll find it right there. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this, of course you can write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.